Hey guys, I wanted to do a clean with me. I did find a stain on this bag that I need to clean. And I have my little soap mixture here. I just have some bleach with some Dawn dish soap. And here it is, some Dawn dish soap. And a little tiny teaspoon of bleach. And then I take my sponge, my hot water, I saturate the sponge and rinse it out. And then I just remove the stain. Sometimes baby wipes and Clorox wipes will not do it. Sometimes you got to get into the nitty-gritty of it all. So this is what I am doing. I also have a stain on this side. Did you see the stain first? Let me show the stain. Okay, I'm going to get this out. The reason I don't like to use bleach is because with most leathers, you can't use water and you can't use bleach. But with Dooney and Burke, it's an all-weather leather. And the lining is usually a coated cotton. So the cotton you can clean, but you need to be careful because if you go too deep, that water will get in between the cotton and the leather, and you don't want that. And let me make sure I don't burn my bag, because when I did that other video, ladies, I did burn my on-the-go tote. And that made me so mad when I finished that video. It's a big burn hole in the middle. It's not big, but it's big enough for me to see it. So I'm a little messed up about that. But that's okay. It's on the back side, so I don't really, it's not gonna kill me. And that's usually my work bag anyway, so I don't really, I am a little particular about my bags, but not that much. Okay, my kids are gonna be homeless. No, I'm just playing. Okay, I'm actually doing a video, so I don't need you guys' comments. Thank you. And your sarcasm. They're trying to say I'm lying, so okay, whatever. I'm not particular about the bags, but I don't want them to be dirty. All right, so did I get the stain over here out? Yes, a little bit. Still a little bit on there. And I see a little bit more right here. Add a little bit more. And then I let this dry fully before I turn it inside out. Now, hopefully, I didn't get any bleach to come through the leather. So let me dry my hands and turn this back inside out. You still didn't do what I said before. I told you to move that. It can be seen. I don't want it in my video. Go move it now. Hold on. I didn't even realize I didn't pause. Alright, so thankfully it did not seep through to the leather. I almost burned this again. This one does have some marks on the back. I'm going to use some Goo Gone to try to get that out. I wouldn't dare try to use bleach on this, but Goo Gone might work. Or maybe even a Mr. Clean sponge. The good thing about, yeah, that was at Lookout Mountain when we went to Covenant College. You see that charcoal in the back? That's why I told you to go put that up. Okay, what was I saying? You guys, I'm all over the place. It's Saturday morning. My kids are up. We are live and in action. But this is the all-weather leather, Dooney and Burke. So this is the pebble leather. And what a lot of people are not aware of is that's where Dooney and Burke got their logo from. The duck logo symbolizes the waterproof duck. So this is waterproof. So you can put water on this leather. Now, This is a Marc Jacobs bag. And this is also a pebbled leather. So you can also put water on this one. Although I still try to use the Coach moisturizer. And this one is really old. I bought this. Actually, I didn't buy this. My mom bought this when she bought my black Coach. And I just used a little tiny bit. She bought it a long time ago. And it's still really good. I think this was in 2000 what? 2000.
No, 2000.
The year 2000? Okay.
It expires 2002.
It expired, but it still works. I don't care. And then I got, for this pink one, I used the Coach leather on this one because I am not sure what type of leather. I want to say, I know it's supposed to be like crocodile or something, but I don't think it's real crocodile. So, my children are really trying me this morning. I'm going to put you on camera since you want to do that. With that bag on your head, with the dye falling on your ears. But, yeah, so, this one I'm not sure. Ouch. That fell on my toe. Give me the other, the blue one so I can clean that one.
The turquoise?
No, not that one. The one that you're sitting on. So this one is nice and clean. I'm going to turn it back inside out so I can dry fully. I'm so happy I got those stains out. I was worried. Now this is the one that I showed the video on that is filthy. I've had this one since Amaya was a baby. So that was 2007 she was born, so 2009. I've had this one since 2009. And this is the one that has all the stains. So we can do this one together. I will try to, I don't know how to speed up, y'all. I don't know how to do the speed up thing yet. But we'll see.
We'll just use the app. CapCut.
Let me turn this out. Hold on. Okay, I had to warm up my soap mixture because it had gotten cool because I've been doing this for like the last hour. I'm sorry, I'm watching just one episode. Let me turn her down. That's my girl. All the girls are my girls. I was watching Miss Toya earlier. My son is showing his marshmallows. Thank you, son. My kids just, look, they won't do videos on their own, which they probably should because they're very talented. But they won't do it on their own, but they're going to come and do mine. Okay. I did add a little bit more bleach because this bag was filthy. And hopefully we can get her back in running order. That's what I love about Dooney & Bourke. No bag compares. The quality of Dooney & Bourke, I feel like no bag compares to Dooney's quality. It lasts forever. The only problem I had with a Dooney & Bourke was my very first bag. And this was my first bag. So this was back in like 1992, somewhere around there. And that bag was beautiful. It was off-white. It was like an ivory color. And what happened? Something happened to it. I forgot my train of thought, y'all. The zipper broke. So I will go get the zipper fixed every year because it will break literally every year. And it's probably because I overstuffed it. But it was small. Like this was back then when we really didn't carry nothing but our wallet and a tampon or, you know, some lip gloss. That's all we carried back in the 90s. But so the zipper broke and candy because we always had candy. I always had annihilators and stuff like that. So I broke the zipper. And Twizzlers. That's what I used to keep in my bags. I broke the zipper. Hannah got that from me. So she's my daughter. So I came first. Yeah. So anyway, that's how the zipper broke. I mean, the zipper broke on that bag. That's the only bag that has ever given me problems. Now, I did have, and I have a lot of Dooneys. I really have no idea how many I have. Do you know how many Dooneys I have, Amaya? That's not funny. I probably have about, I don't know, y'all, probably 15, 20, something like that. But all of mine are older. Because like I said, I haven't been buying bags lately. I only really buy bags when there's some kind of disaster going on.
Mommy always buy bags.
Boy, I'm finna beat you. Get out my video. But yeah, so I kind of buy bags, but I don't buy that many bags. Like some of y'all be buying. Like y'all trying to get me back on this thing where I'm. Oh wow, really? Y'all gonna put me out on? Okay, don't listen to my kids. I haven't bought any bags. What bag did I buy? Okay, I bought a couple of bags. Okay, well, yeah, maybe I did. Okay, so yeah, I did buy a couple of bags. But I'm saying I haven't bought any expensive bags. Like, have I bought any expensive? I haven't bought anything expensive lately. So anyway, that's what I mean by I haven't bought any bags. So I just feel like I deserve a bag right now because I've been holding out for so long. And the last one I bought, it's been some time. Okay, shut up. So anyway, I love you, son. Thank you. Thank you for your honesty and telling people all my secrets. But I'm trying to show them how to clean a bag so you all can go play. Go get the laundry, son. You can do that. Some of these things are really not coming out. And this is nothing but makeup, I'm sure. Because this is before I started wearing pouches. I didn't start wearing pouches until YouTube started. And that was, I don't even remember, y'all. It was after this. Because I bought this, like I said, in like 2008, 2009. This one I bought after my mom passed. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to take care of her because, I try to take care of all my bags. Most of my bags are in much better condition, but this one just went through the ringer because I only have this one navy blue bag. And until recently when I got the Michael Kors Hamilton in navy blue. But this one was the only one I had. So every time I wore anything blue, like blue jeans or navy blue or something, this was the one I went for. Yeah. So anyway, let me pause it, finish this, and then come back. All right. So I am letting her dry. And while she's drying, I will come back with another video.